Good morning, everyone. It's Crypto Meow Analysis coming at you with an update video on AIXBT. First of all, Lou, thank you so much for the super chat. I really appreciate it. That's awesome. Now, taking a look at the areas of support. So we always say this, okay? Right? You break the 2-3. Hold on. Gosh, I have to do this every single time I do this. Okay. So you break the 236,382. The next macro area of support's going to come back down, okay? So here's the deal. You actually are respecting this fib. You are respecting the 382 at 2 cents 60. Okay, you got a nice little bounce from it. So I'd say that as long as it's over this area, then you have a shot at a bottom and a continuation up, and it's still technically macro bullish. Okay, so if you're dollar cost averaging down, this is a good time to buy. But the second this breaks, then it's all fair games, because I always say we are definitely kind of going to come back down to these areas. So whether we come down, get a bounce from the 0.5, make a lower high, however dragged out it is, or whether it goes straight down, we don't know. But what I do know is that typically this, like if I was dollar cost averaging a coin, knowing what I know now, it would be the 382 with the anticipation of it bottoming and still being macro bullish, and then dollar cost averaging at the lowest possible targets for a coin that I like, which would be 3 zeros 59 to 2 zeros 28. Okay, so I hope that made sense. Now the targets on the upside, so that's support, and then the targets on the upside, so we're already respecting the 382, so far so good. If you're buying now with the anticipation of it basically breaking out, then good for you. Obviously the next higher high is $8.43. I don't think that's impossible given the market cap is so small and it's almost fully diluted anyway, so I don't think that's impossible. That'll be like 8 billion market cap. But conservatively speaking, you have resistance here at 6 cents to 10 cents. So theoretically, that's where traders are going to be taking profits. And then if you're a holder, you need to break this area. Next bigger target, macro target, would be 24 cents. That would be the determining decision whether this thing flies out of here or has a 618 retracement and then comes down, makes a lower low. Most likely sitting on the 0.5 support at that point. I hope that made sense. None of this is financial advice. It is just my opinion. Thank you so much for the $5 super chat, and I will catch you in the next video.